Project has the name of Friends of the Earth. It's carried out in San Francisco. It started in 1979. The action in protest of the environment. Eliminate billions of dollars in subsidies to polluting companies, finances with taxpayer money, reform the World Bank to correspond to environmental and human rights problems, promote the debate on global warming, to pursue the United States to pass the best possible legislation in the regular. Store more than 115 dams and destructive water projects were led push of and achieve regulatory approval to regulate underground mines and oil tankers and bank international warning, and the benefit sector is the environment. The second project video I will talk about two ecology projects. The first one has the name of Green Areas Inventory that is carried out in Mexico City. Beginning in 2017, some action of the project are that the mayors will take the inventory of green areas of the competition in the territorial demarcation in the terms established in the previous program, and they will make it now Secretary of the Integration in the General Inventory referred to in this article, providing the corresponding updates annually in the terms on the regulation. Such inventory will form part of the Environmental Information System of Mexico City, Article 88, bis 4. The beneficial sector is environmental welfare. Thanks for your attention.